What's VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP, or vertical lookup, is a function in Excel that searches for a value in the first column of a table and returns a value in the same row from a specified column. VLOOKUP is particularly useful when you need to find information in a large data set. For example, if you have a table of student scores and you want to find the score of a particular student in a specific subject, VLOOKUP can quickly retrieve this information. The general syntax used for VLOOKUP is VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, lookup value, table array, column index number, range lookup, close parenthesis. The lookup value is the value you are trying to find in the leftmost column of a table. This could be a value, a cell reference, or a text string. For example, in the table shown here, this would be the student's name. Table array is the table in which you are looking for the value. This could be a reference to a range of cells or a named range. In a score sheet shown in this video, this would be the cell A to the E28. The column index number is the column from which you want to fetch the matching value. For example, if we want to look for Robin Hall's score in English, the column index number would be 5 because English is in the 5th column from the left. Range lookup is where you specify whether you want an exact match or an approximate match. If you want an exact match, enter false or 0. If you want an approximate match, enter true or 1. If this part is omitted, it defaults to true or approximate match. Now let's apply what we've learned to a practical problem. Suppose you want to find the score of each subject shown in the table for a student represented by cell G2. The syntax will be lookup G2 A2 to E28, column 2, false. Notice that we used it for column index because chemistry is in column 2. You can include the $sign to keep the table array and the lookup value locations constant in case you want to use the formula for other subjects. For physics, mathematics, and English, use 3, 4, 5, respectively as the column index, while the table array remain constant. Now you can enter any student name in cell G2 to see their scores. As you can see, the advantage of VLOOKUP is that it helps keep other students' scores private while allowing each student to check only their own. If you have learned something, please press the subscribe button if you have not done so already, and watch out for other interesting videos on this channel.